According to analytics, the Zilliqa blockchain is going to shoot up by the end of this year. We are likely going to see a massive price uptrend, and in the next 5 years, your investment is going to overshoot. So if you want to double your money, make sure to watch this video till the end. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking towards the subsequent immediate price trajectory for the ZIL coin. This token can change the masses and aims to solve what is called the most important ratio of the blockchain system, the blockchain trilemma, a concept that appears to be unsolved by most blockchain technology. But before we move forward and run into the price prediction for the ZIL coin, please be advised that the market is highly volatile and is changing very fast. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. Also, the content is only for informative and educational purposes. You are requested to pursue your diligent research or consult an expert to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. The ZIL coin has been on edge and mostly doing great because of various technological updates on its blockchain. The token appears to get modified every now and then to help towards the advancement of the blockchain. Zilliqa, which is an open public blockchain network, aims to provide for the world's first public blockchain to rely entirely on the sharded network. The technique of breaking a network of computer nodes into numerous groupings, known as shards, is known as blockchain sharding. Transactions can be processed in parallel by each shard. Sharding is one of the finest blockchain scalability options, but why is that? In traditional blockchain technologies, every miner or validator in the network used to receive transaction requests from users all around the world. So every validator validates each node by enlisting the known transaction requests into the candidate block. Even then, there are a few problems with the sharding method. When a blockchain is divided into groups of nodes, the information stored in it also gets divided. Each of the Bitcoin nodes contains the whole blockchain, therefore they do not need any other information to process transactions. The sharded nodes only have some of the blockchains. So, to overcome this issue of communication gap, they need to contact other nodes to get all the information they need. Well, because Zilliqa miners are easily formed, the process might get very complicated on a network of thousands of computers. However, the worry is less because Zilliqa is following a hybrid consensus mechanism. Zilliqa is making this process even simpler and, most importantly, is focused on solving the blockchain trilemma's first component, which is scalability. Increasing the number of nodes in a blockchain network only improves security while decreasing performance. In fact, because of internode delay, adding more nodes can degrade scalability logarithmically. It appears to be counterintuitive, but the data is clear. Even with Bitcoin's 11,000 mining nodes, network fees remain at historically unheard-of levels. Zilliqa then assigns a group of computer nodes to merge all of the microblocks into the main Zilliqa blockchain. Future smart contracts and transaction requests can thus link back to the main blockchain's history for easier and faster verification. And that is how the issue of scalability is solved by employing a second layer of scaling solution. The program's next solution is achieving network decentralization. The Zilliqa platform is working to provide for many decentralized applications, and starting from October 2020, the platform has introduced staking and yield farming. On to the next topic, which is security. Because the blockchain trilemma talks about the inconsistency in achieving that perfect ratio in the blockchain due to non-equitable focus on all three components, to have that blockchain that can do all three is very less. Zilliqa follows a consensus protocol that is based on the idea of Byzantine fault tolerance with heavy optimizations. BFT is used to ensure that the resulting blocks are definitive without the need for long confirmation times as required in the popular longest chain rule in existing cryptocurrencies. Existing BFT protocols, on the other hand, require a huge transmission bandwidth and thus a long period to converge. As a result, they struggle to scale to a vast network of nodes. Zilliqa's crypto blockchain is one of the kinds and, more importantly, is long-stretched. The token is in full workup the situation with the market. We believe investing in Zilliqa would be profitable in the long run, The Zilliqa network is still operating in 2021, processing millions of transactions every month. The blockchain has also been constantly scaling, rising from a daily average of over 900 blocks when the mainnet was introduced to a daily average of over 2,500 blocks now. Over the last 3 to 4 years of officially trading, the token and its blockchain has made tremendous progress. Because of this, Zilliqa is expected to achieve overwhelming success by the end of this year. This year is speculated to receive the most investment inflows on cryptocurrencies. And only the price trajectory presently is a bit different. The technical charts of the entire market suggest a calculative risk-taking mentality. People are not investing to their fullest, which is why we aren't witnessing an exponential rise. However, this is not going to continue for long, and by the end of October, we should see a decent Bitcoin price uptrend. Within a few years of trading, the token was able to develop a new smart contract programming language called Scilla, which stands for Smart Contract Intermediate Level Language. A language like this is used in making auditing easier, making the code less prone to bugs. That does not end here because Zilliqa is keeping on with the update. The recent and the latest update has caused a price rise. The Zilliqa Ethereum bridge on the blockchain, a cross-chain interoperability bridge. Users of ZIL Bridge will be able to bridge WBTC, ETH, and USDT assets across the Zilliqa and Ethereum blockchains, as well as provide liquidity for and trade those assets on ZilSwap, Zilliqa's own decentralized exchange. Over time, Zilliqa will collaborate with Switch.io to allow more assets for cross-chain transfers. The bridge has also been standardized for cross-chain services with Poly Network, whose portfolio of services, including cross-chain asset transfer, swap, and NFT cross-chain services, will help draw additional users and developers to the Zilliqa ecosystem. The platform has also started to offer Lightning liquidity mining rewards from 6th October 2021, worth $3.75 million over the timeframe of 6 weeks. This scheme has added incentive to all potential liquidity providers who can earn ZIL and ZSwap rewards by using the Bitcoin ZIL, Ethereum ZIL, and the USDT ZIL pair. With the start of 13th October 2021, the liquidity providers who are eligible will receive both their ZWAP and ZIL rewards. This bridge is a collaborative project between Zilliqa, Switch.io, and the Poly Network teams that consists of several sub-projects that require the involvement of the compiler team. The first phase would be to create the framework of the bridge and to formulate an end-to-end cross-chain like a transaction. The current price action slipped a bit under the moving average and the exponential moving average. However, we don't expect this to continue. In the event of a bull market, ZIL is going to cross its immediate resistance at 10 cents and 13 cents respectively. Only by validating this resistance will the token be able to focus on the other upcoming targets. So, you can undoubtedly plan a 5-year investment plan on this token to maximize your inputs. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications to get updated on what's burning in the market. Leave us a comment on your views of Zilliqa, and we will see you at our next one.